Hello everyone, welcome to Tenorshare channel. Recently, we have received many private messages from friends saying that their iPhones are suddenly stuck in recovery mode and they don't know what to do. Stuck in recovery mode is usually caused by upgrade errors, data recovery errors, or system failures. Don't worry, today we will teach you a few simple and effective methods to easily get your iPhone out of recovery mode and use it normally again. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. If your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode and there is no computer around, we recommend that you try force restart first. For iPhones without a home button, just quickly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhones with a home button, just press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears. This method is very simple and the success rate is not low. Give it a try, maybe just this one. Your iPhone can be restored to normal. Method 2. Use ReiBoot to exit recovery mode with one click. If force restart doesn't work, try the Tenorshare ReiBoot tool. This tool can exit recovery mode with one click without losing data, which is very convenient. First, download and install ReiBoot. If you don't know where to download it, I'll put the video in the description area below the video. You can take a look. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Open ReiBoot. Click the Exit Recovery Mode button. It only takes a few seconds to complete the operation. Many friends said that ReiBoot is very powerful, fast, simple, and one click, worth a try. Method 3. Use ReiBoot to repair the system. If the first two methods are ineffective, it may be the cause of the system crash. You can use ReiBoot system repair function. It can repair deeper system failures and help you solve the problem of being stuck in recovery mode. First, open ReiBoot and select Start Repair. Select the standard repair option. Download the required firmware according to the prompts. Wait patiently for the firmware to download, which will take about 10 minutes. After the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. The software will automatically repair your iPhone system problems. After the repair is completed, your iPhone should be able to start normally. This method has strong repair capabilities and is suitable for repairing system damage. Method 4. Use iTunes to upgrade or reset iPhone. If you prefer to use official tools, you can also use iTunes to upgrade or reset iPhone. Connect iPhone to computer. Open iTunes. The system will automatically detect the device. Select Update or Restore option. Choosing to update will not lose data, but will update your system. Choosing to restore will clear data and reset the system. Here we click on Update and download the firmware according to the prompts. Whether you click on Update or Restore, in order to prevent data loss, I suggest you back up your data in advance. Tips: restore iPhone 16 with another device. If you have another device and don't care about data loss, you can use Apple's latest wireless flashing function. You just need to put the two phones together and put iPhone 16 in recovery mode. The other device will prompt you whether to restore and confirm your choice. Note, this function will lose data, and the iOS system of the other device must be above 18.0 to use it. No matter which method you choose, I believe these tips can help you easily deal with the problem of iPhone stuck in recovery mode. I hope this video is helpful to everyone. If you like tutorials like this one, don't forget to like, follow our channel, and let us know in the comments what other issues you encounter. We'll get back to you with a solution as soon as possible.